TADA DRASHTUH SVARUPE VASTHANAM. When the movement of mind becomes quiet, the seer rests in its own true nature. Look at the ocean. On the surface, the waves rise, clash, appear chaotic. But in depth, there is profound stillness. It is said that Lord Vishnu rests there, on Ananta, untouched by the turbulence above. In the same way, thoughts and emotions on the surface of the mind, yet the deep within you, your Atma Svarupa, your true self, remains calm and unmoving. When you learn to stay in the pause between the in breath and the out breath, awareness naturally settles inwards. This is the returning to your own Svarupa beyond the mind. Here you are not the waves, you are the depth itself, the one you truly are.